It is not just our mind and body that goes through stress. Our skin also is under constant stress. It could be mental stress, physical stress, or environmental stress. And it comes across as dull, tired, uneven skin tone, rough skin with wrinkles and fine lines. All of these issues need different ingredients to work for them. What if there was one magic product with all the necessary ingredients to work on these? So here we have a serum to simplify your life, a powerhouse antioxidant serum which contains 13 essential actives. It is a perfect blend of antioxidants, vitamin C, hyaluronic, ceramides and other ingredients which help to nourish, repair, protect and brighten your skin. Elume is a lightweight, easy to use, hassle-free approach to complete protection and nourishment of your skin.